Palantir Technologies Inc., how this company is changing the game in AI and beyond. Artificial intelligence, or as I like to call it, the brain behind the machine, has been making headlines in the investment world lately. And no, it's not because they're planning a robot takeover, at least not yet. I'm just kidding. AI is actually here to help us humans out. It has the power to transform the way businesses operate and how consumers gather information. With AI, it's possible to create customized advertisements for each individual consumer or to crunch mountains of data to determine trends and patterns that even the most skilled human analyst would miss. And speaking of skilled analysts, one company that's leading the charge in AI is Palantir. Their AI-driven platform processes data and provides users with insights so valuable that you'll think you have a crystal ball. But Palantir isn't just an AI company. It's also a rapidly growing and profitable business. With its impressive AI technology and even more impressive growth, Palantir is changing the game in the world of data analysis and beyond. So buckle up and get ready for a ride into the future of business and beyond, brought to you by the one and only artificial intelligence. In this channel, we do tons of research about the stock market, and our goal is to help you on your journey to financial freedom so you can live life on your own terms. If you like this video, make sure to destroy the like and subscribe buttons so that you won't miss any of our future content. So what's the story behind Palantir Inc.? So Palantir is a company that helps the government and other big organizations manage their data. They started out by working with spy agencies like the FBI, NSA, and even the CIA. Yes, James Bond's kind of stuff. Their CEO, Alex Karp, is a big fan of America and thinks that his company is helping the country by keeping its secrets safe and catching bad guys like Osama bin Laden. However, not everyone is a fan of Palantir's work. Some of their employees got upset when they found out that the company was helping the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, which caused a lot of controversy. Plus, the company's founders, Karp and Peter Thiel, don't always agree on politics, but they still manage to work together and get stuff done. Palantir has done some cool things like helping to find bin Laden and working with the Ukrainian military, but they also do a lot of work that's shrouded in secrecy. Despite their secretive nature, Palantir is making a lot of money by helping both the government and private companies manage their data. But some people on Wall Street aren't sure whether to buy the company's stock or not, so they're split on their ratings. In any case, Palantir is here to stay and will keep working on important stuff like fighting famine and monkeypox. Yes, monkeypox is a real thing. So whether you love them or hate them, Palantir is definitely making an impact in the world. Just recently, the Palantir made headlines due to an extraordinary surge in demand for its military-focused artificial intelligence technology. Palantir is taking a crack at developing a new tool that sounds like it's straight out of science fiction movie, the Artificial Intelligence Platform, AIP. This tool is designed to give military forces an edge in battle by tapping into the same kind of artificial intelligence models that ChatGPT uses to provide information and assist with decision-making. In a demo video, Palantir shows how the tool can analyze intel on enemy targets, identify potential threats, and propose battle plans which can then be sent to commanding officers for execution. Palantir CEO Alex Karp claims that the platform is secure and allows clients to decide what data the models can see and what they can't do on behalf of humans. So rest assured, we won't have an army of robots taking over the world just yet. Karp even went as far as saying that if the technology is used correctly and safely, it could be a game changer in warfare, allowing the military to win and scare off competitors and adversaries. Who knew that all it takes to win a war is a super smart computer program? Maybe we should have just sent Siri to negotiate with other countries instead of wasting time with all those peace talks. But in all seriousness, the demand for AIP is apparently through the roof. Karp says he's never seen anything like it in 20 years with Palantir. So they're reorganizing their efforts to capitalize on this boom. Who knows, maybe we'll soon see Palantir's AIP powering not only military operations, but also solving other problems like predicting the weather or even finding the perfect avocado at the grocery store. But wait, there's more. It turns out that this AIP thingamajig has civilian applications too. For example, a manufacturing company can use it to prepare for a hurricane strike by analyzing its distribution centers and deciding whether to speed up, slow down, or cancel orders. And get this, the tool is even capable of forecasting the impact on customers' orders and revenue. Who needs human decision-making when you've got an AI system to do it for you, right? But that's not all. Apparently, Palantir has already given early access to the platform to a client in the insurance industry, and they were blown away. The company said that the client was able to build a collaborative AI agent within a few days to automate their claims processing. Wow, talk about cutting-edge technology. Of course, there are still some details that need to be worked out, like pricing and terms. But Palantir is running hard at the opportunity and has refocused its engineering teams and other resources around AI to meet the demand. So if you're looking for a high-tech way to win wars or automate your business, Palantir's got you covered. Just don't forget to read the fine print. Looking into Palantir's fundamentals, Palantir is on a roll. In Q1 of fiscal year 2023, the company achieved its second consecutive quarter of positive GAAP net income, raking in $17 million. Not too shabby. Meanwhile, the company's total revenue rose by 18% from the previous year, reaching $525 million. And let's not forget about Palantir's impressive 23% growth in US revenue, which reached $337 million. But what's really impressive is Palantir's balance sheet. The company reported an adjusted free cash flow of $189 million in Q1 FY 2023, which represents a 36% margin. And as of now, it has cash equivalents, and short-term US Treasury securities totaling $2.9 billion. That's a whole lot of cash. Looking ahead, Palantir is projected to continue its impressive growth. The company is forecasting Q2 FY 2023 revenue between $528 million and $532 million, with adjusted income from operations of $118 million to $122 million, and another quarter of positive GAAP net income. Investors should be excited about this company's potential for strong earnings growth in 2023 and beyond. Palantir is definitely one to watch. That being said, if you're looking to invest in a meme stock that's more than just a fleeting internet sensation, Palantir PLTR could be a strong buy. Not only does it have a solid trajectory for growth in the cybersecurity and military sectors, but it's also making moves in the blockchain technology market. Who knew a company named after a mystical seeing stone could be so cutting edge? With its focus on AI and big data, PLTR could potentially become one of the best AI stocks out there. And at its current price of $7.74, you might want to grab some shares before they skyrocket. That's what we call a bargain, or as they say in the meme world, a Stonks deal. And that's a wrap, folks. If you're in the mood for some high-stakes investing, you might want to check out Palantir. With a knack for scoring big government contracts and an AI platform that's hotter than a freshly microwaved burrito, this company is primed for success in the coming year. Now, I'm not saying you should bet the farm on PLTR stock. After all, investing can be a roller coaster ride full of twists and turns. But if you're feeling brave and have a strong stomach, getting in at a bargain price of under $10 per share might just be the best decision you've ever made. Or not, no pressure. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, always do your own research before making any investment decisions. See you in the next video.